washer broke. So what you're seeing here is the result of a washer that will not drain the water. There was a lot more water than this actually, and I scooped out a whole bunch. The clothes that were in here are now in the dryer, this dryer, and now I have to get rid of the remaining water. Wonderful. So this morning kind of sucked. I mean, we had the washer thing. Took a couple hours for me to remove all the water. Some of the water like leaked out and got on the floor. Yeah, that sucked. And those clothes that were in the washer. Looks like JC's being bad. JC likes to like touch dirty stuff and then touch his face with it, and his mom trips out. Everything okay, sweetie? Must be alright. Anyway, yeah, those were her clothes that were in the washer, so she spent a lot of time like trying to wring out the water from the clothes and hanging it up to dry. The dryer is not working well either, so we just decided we're gonna have to buy a new washer and dryer, but we'll do that tomorrow. Today we have plans to go to Georgetown for JC and hang out near the Georgetown water area, so we're gonna do that. We were planning to go this morning around like 11 a.m., but you know, it's 1:30 now thanks to our washer and freaking dryer. So anyway, at least we're still going. So we're gonna head out now and see you in Georgetown. What'd you say?
There's more. There's 2 cars left. Right there.
Oh man.
I know, right? Let's go play bubbles over there.
We are here in Georgetown. It took a while for us to park. We parked in a kind of an expensive parking garage when we stepped out and we saw 2 empty parking spaces.
Yeah, this is it. Yeah, there's water, Papa.
wifey likes to do. She likes to sit on the grass and picnic.
Okay.
At least it's not too hot.
Yeah, it's not too. Have your juice here. Ooh, there's.
How white I am. They're always dark. Not dark. Tan.
Look.
It's my first time wearing shorts this year.
Yeah. Here, I think he's gonna want it.
Whew, it was blazing hot. We're now here in Target.
Is this shirt wet? Oh no, it's not.
It was sweating earlier.
Yeah, but I think the sweat is just here. It's not like his back, right?
Look at who's right next to Cuties. Little Cutie himself. JC and I just took a shower, so we're both clean. I think we're ready to take a nap. So that'll be it for the vlog, and we'll see you at the next one. Deuces!